Private hospitals can charge up to 250 rupees per dose of COVID-19 vaccine, official sources said on Saturday, as India prepares to vaccinate people aged above 60 years and those over 45 with comorbidities from March 1st. The COVID-19 vaccine will be given free of cost at government hospitals, while people will need to pay for it at private facilities. Rupees 250 will be the ceiling, rupees 150 cost of vaccine plus rupees 100 service charges, and this arrangement will remain effective till further orders. According to sources, states and union territories have also been informed about this. Senior Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad, who recently retired from the Rajya Sabha, said that everybody is working for the grand old party and trying to strengthen it. Calling the term G23, which is a group of 23 Congress leaders who were descendants and who wrote the letter to Sonia Gandhi in August last year, a media creation, Azad said that we are not trying to go against anyone or any leader. We are working for the Congress and to strengthen it. There are many who are trying to divide the nation. We are looking to develop the nation. He was speaking at an event titled Shanti Sammelan in Jammu, where the veteran leader was accompanied by the Congress rebels like Anand Sharma, Kapil Sibal and Raj Babbar. As Bengal gears up for the upcoming assembly elections, political strategist Prashant Kishore in his latest tweet said that one of the key battles for democracy in the country will be fought in West Bengal and that the people of the state are ready to bring back their rightful leader. Taking it to Twitter, the IPAC head asserted that Bengal wants its daughter back and the public could hold him true to his last tweet on May 2nd, the day the results of the elections will be declared. Now, Kishore's organization, IPAC, is assisting the ruling party in campaigning to stop the BJP, which has made deep inroads in the state with their election performance. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Saturday took aim at Prime Minister Narendra Modi while campaigning in Tamil Nadu's Thoothukudi, accusing him of being scared of China as well as working for the interest of the privileged few in the country. Question is not whether Prime Minister is useful or useless. The question is, who is he useful to? Prime Minister Modi is extremely useful to two people, that is hum do, hamare do, who are using him to increase their wealth, and useless to the poor, he said, repeating his allegation of Prime Minister Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah helping crony capitalists. The provision in the recently issued digital media guidelines to block internet content during emergency situation has been around as a rule since 2009 and was not recently introduced, the government informed today. The clarification came in the face of criticism about the centre arming itself and vast powers that left the publishing platform with no opportunity of hearing. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology on Thursday issued the Information Technology Guidelines for Intermediaries and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021. It is meant to regulate digital content, including those on digital news, social media and OTT streaming platforms. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.